Our family started farming here in like the late 1890s. So now we're fourth generation farm family here in the Skagit Valley. Grow a variety of crops, mostly potatoes. We've actually raised and wash and pack and sell our own products. We grow fresh market potatoes, mostly the red and yellow and white varieties. The whole business side of farming is probably different now than it used to be. The chances of making profit are so slim now that we have to be so careful about every decision we make. And that's probably the biggest thing that is going to face the next generation, is how to comply with all the new rules that are going to be for clean air, for clean water. They're going to come down from government as a well-intended idea, but without a thoughtfulness from a perspective of a business owner and an actual landowner on the ground that understands his land and understands the drainage and the air and his own environment. A farmer really needs to pay attention to his land, and he really has an interest in maintaining a healthy soil and the healthy environment around that. That's really what we want to do. We want to use our soil to the best we can to provide an income for our business and provide a living for us. But at the same time, we need to take care of what's underneath our feet. Very upsetting to know that there's people out there that are focused on painting the farmers in a bad light without sitting down across the table probably, from us and trying to understand us better. Yes, we face challenges, but the rewards are huge. There's nothing better than being a farmer when the crop looks good, the weather's good, markets are on your side, and you can sleep a little better at night. So that's the life of being a farmer.